Okay, now next. This is the scenario given to you. Okay. All right. Okay, let me just sorry. Pang-delete sa ni. Okay, now this is the scenario given to you. Okay, I'll give you 30 seconds to read and analyze, and then we'll analyze together. Okay, now earlier studies suggest that prior to introducing educational reforms in schools, it is important to investigate or look into the dynamics of principal teacher interaction and to develop methods for increasing the involvement of teachers in the operation of the school. Okay, 30 seconds. Please tell me what are the issues? What are the issues now? You might want to type in the chat box or turn on your mic. Now tell me. Earlier study suggests that prior to introducing educational reforms, no, it's important to investigate to look into the dynamics of principal-teacher interaction. So what is my issue now?
Dynamics of
Dynamic.
principal teachers.
So
Dynamic
what
of
about
principal
it?
and teacher interaction.
So I'll cut and paste. I'm sorry. Sorry. Okay. Sorry. Nawala. All right. Let's see. Okay. Hi naman to. Okay. Sorry about that, friends. Ha. Nawala.
Yeah, and the need
There.
and the need to develop methods for increasing teachers' involvement.
Okay. Can you see? Can you still see my screen?
Yes, po.
Okay. Thank
Yes,
Yes,
you.
ma'am.
ma'am.
Kita.
Okay. So issue is the first issue is dynamics of principal-teacher interaction. You know what's the challenge of this exam? Sayop pang usa, sayop tanan, ha? So, dynamics of principal-teacher interaction. And what's the second issue, Ms. Raquel?
The need to develop methods in increasing teachers' involvement in the
Okay.
operation of school. Yes.
Develop develop methods, okay, for teacher involvement. Then Divine said about educational reforms. Okay. And I think Mara mentioned about okay, look into the dynamics. Okay. Increase involvement. Okay. All right. Now, next. You know my technique sometimes? What I do is I convert it into vernacular. No, I know Chris would understand the English narrative, but just to dissect further, I'm teaching you how to dissect an issue. So take note, ha. So the keyword is dissect the issue. Okay? So, how do you dissect issues from the situation given to you? Sa dili pa i-introduce ang educational reform, mas maayo og tan-awon daan ang dynamics of principal-teacher interaction and think of methods in increasing the involvement of schools. Okay? Or involvement of the operation of the schools. Sa dili pa i-introduce ang educational reform, educational reform is an issue. What do you think?
Output.
Huh? According to Miss
Educational
Raquel,
reports will become, yes, output.
very good. It's an output. Now, next. So what about my issue? Dynamics of principal teacher is a noun. So what about it? So unsay issue? Nangitag solid nga basihan dok para maka-create og educational reform. Yes, that's a good point, Miss Main. But what is my issue? Alex, ay saglibog-libog. Ako, I agree with Miss Raquel. Educational reform is an output. Okay, it's not an issue. Okay, Alex, what do you think? So what's my issue? What about dynamics of principal-teacher interaction? Chris, what do you think? There has to have an adjective. Remember, it's an
Yes.
issue. So what's the issue? Class,
So
this is
it,
just one sentence situation. Uh, para para makabuot og educational reform, kinahanglan usa na ay teacher but what's my issue, Divine? What's my issue of the principal teacher interaction and the involvement? So Alex is now adding the word okay. So what about it? There is there is less principal
Mm.
teacher interaction. Do you agree? What do you think? Or I'll delete the word develop method. What's my issue? I'm sorry,
Less involvement of
correct.
teachers in
There
operation of
is
the school.
there is less involvement of teachers in the operation of the schools. All right? What else? Less involvement of teachers in the operation of the school. What else? Do you have another issue in mind? There is less principal teacher in the. What about poor methodologies, Haske? What do you think? What about poor methodologies? Usbon ha, sa dili pa i-introduce ang educational reform, mas maayog tan-aon sa kanang tan-aon man ako ang principal teacher interaction. Could it be because there is less principal teacher interaction, and there is, because of that, there is less involvement of teachers in the operation of the school? Pwede sa ganyong punan, no? Why do they have less involvement? Or we'll focus on this? Dali lang. Okay? Now, because of this, oy, Alex, ineffective educational system, where did educational system uh, come from? Where did educational system come from? Did the situation mention about educational system? What do you think? Sige. The problem is overthinking outside the box. No, focus on the situation given. Difference methodologies and involvement of teachers. What methodologies are we referring to? Develop methods to increase. No, so it could be that how to increase. No, how to increase involvement of teachers. I'll copy. No, I'll just copy. Sorry. So notice what I'm doing. There should be congruence. There should be congruence of your answers. If your answer number one is wrong, the rest will follow. Take note. Okay. Um, all right. There should be congruence of answers. I'm sorry. Okay, now, next, how to increase involvement. What else? Do you have any other issue in mind? No more. Okay na. Now, so what are my assumptions? What's my assumption now? What do you think? What are my assumptions? The, saman, the higher, the better. We just copy, eh? Okay. The better principal teacher interaction, the
The
higher
higher the involvement of
yes.
teacher in the
Yeah.
operation of the school.
The higher the involvement of teachers in the operation of the school. What else? The better principal teacher interaction, the higher uh, the higher the involvement of teachers in the operation of the school. What else? Huh? What do you think? That's it? Huh? That's it? Okay na ta? Friends. Sige, be. Stare at the screen. Jules? Chris, do you follow? Don't worry, no one is judging the increase of involvement of teacher in the school. Okay, so I'll pick up Divine's statement. Increase of involvement of teachers in schools. No, the increase of teacher interaction in school. The increase of in tawag gimix na sa Divine. The increase of teacher involvement, pastilan. Teacher involvement, no, in school operation, the better the educational reform. Why do you say the better? The increase of teacher involvement in school operation. Hmm, hmm. How do you rephrase it? Increase involvement. Okay, the better, because you don't how do you make better a reform? No, the increase of involvement, the increase of teacher involvement in school operation, the better the sige, basta it's an assumption. Then, according to Chris, positive correlation between, okay, I'll pick up what Chris is saying, ha. Um, there may be, anyway, it's an assumption, positive correlation between principal-teacher interaction and teacher involvement. Very good. Very good. Okay. Now you're thinking like a researcher. Alex, do you follow? Lex,
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
following. Okay, next. Now, what did we do so far? This is the situation given to you. Take note. This is a situation given to you. Now, what did you do with the situation? You look into the issues from the situation. You now look into the issues. There may be less principal-teacher interactions, and then there is less involvement of teachers, or how to increase the involvement of teachers. And because of that, you assume that the better the principal-teacher interaction, the higher the involvement of teachers in operation of the school. The increase of teacher involvement, the better the educational reform. Then Chris also mentioned that there may be obviously positive correlation between principal-teacher interaction and teacher involvement. Very good. Now tell me, what are now your variables? Looking at this situation given, what's my variable now? See, ing ani mo ka bright, very intelligent. By a situation, you're now dissecting and developing a mini proposal. So what's my variable? Friends, Haspi, Allen, what's my variable? Um, the variable is involvement of teachers. I will underline, ha. What about the what else? That's it. Main. What else?
The dynamics of principal and teacher interaction.
Okay. There. Very good. So I'll copy because I'm so lazy to type. So the variable is, I'll delete the word dynamics, but principal teacher interaction, and number 2, involvement of teachers. Okay, that's variable 1. Variable 2, what type? Type of variable? Uh, according
Independent,
to
ma'am.
the, uh, but I agree. Julius have added the word level. Why? Because we agreed that in variable, it has to be measurable. What about it? Why add the word level? Because later on, we will measure high, moderate, low, highly involved, less involved, not involved. Level of principal-teacher interaction, highly, less, moderate, interactive. Now, you mentioned that the first variable is independent. Can I do a research on level of principal-teacher interaction only? Yes. Yes. What
Yes.
about level of involvement of teachers? What type of variable? Independent? Dependent? What do you think?
Dependent.
Huh? Independent, dependent. The answer is dependent or independent. Can I do research on the level of involvement of teachers in the operation of the schools only? Yes or no?
Yes.
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 So obviously it is independent too.
Two
So
independent
there
variables.
may be a reason why both independent are intertwined together. Notice the assumption of Chris. There may be a positive correlation. Did you get the point? Okay. What's my indicator
Yes, ma'am.
for level of principal-teacher interaction? What's my indicator now? What's my indicator? Perception. Very good. What about the other? Perception still. Now you're
Mm.
learning
The
because
perception of
it's,
the students.
yes, it's perception. Okay. Now, next, do I have an intervention? Intervention. Intervention. Do I have an intervention? I'm sorry, Pastilan. Intervention?
Scroll up, da, ma'am.
Sorry. Scroll up, sorry. Okay. Um, scroll up. I'll, you know, okay, zoom out a bit. All right. What do you think? Do I have an intervention? Chris have already given you a clue on what will be your future research method and research design. Do I have an intervention? What do you think? Ay, nanasad. Intervention is, when you say intervention, do you have a modality or something new that you will test in the research to prove whether it's effective or not? None. Of course, Julius, none. Because this is not experimental. Take note what Chris' assumption is. Could it be that there may be a positive correlation? Look at your issue. Less principal interaction, less involvement. How to increase involvement of teachers. Okay? Easy? Yes or no? Very
Lisod.
easy.
Lisod,
Uh,
ma'am.
I'm I'm giving you a technique. I'm teaching you a technique because you'll be teaching others how we do it in this class, huh? Okay, now take note. From the situation given to you, you're very intelligent. You now have an issue. And you now have an assumption. And from these 2 points, you were able to generate variable 1 and variable 2. And you were able to identify what's your indicator and what's your intervention. Now, so what's my title now? Anak mo ka bright. See how intelligent you are? You can now generate a title. I don't care if you're confused, Alex. Okay. Yes, Rose, because if your answer number 1 is wrong, then the rest is wrong. Okay. Now tell me, what's your title now? I'll scroll up. Okay, what's your title? Stare at the issue, the assumption, and the variables. Okay. What do you think? Oh, what's your title? Focus on your variable. Okay. I'm so lazy to type, so I'll just copy. No,
And
yes, go ahead. Miss Main, is that you? When we write the title, it's most often inverted pyramid and then all caps. Okay, because it's now your thesis title. Christian's title. Christian's title. Christian one is given the burden. Oy. All right, now, don't worry. This will be very easy. Okay, now, so what's the title now? The dynamics of principal-teacher interaction. No, and the I'm not adding the word level, Jules, because this is the title first. The dynamics of principal-teacher interaction and the involvement of teachers in the operation of the schools. Pwede dili, colon. Because you are masterants, what's your output now? After you found out that this is the level of
Method,
principal-teacher,
ma'am.
so what method? Proposed method? Be specific. Proposed what? Miss Raquel, what's my output? Balik ka, awa ha. Prior to introducing educational reform, it is important to investigate. So what's my output now? Propose.
Educational reform.
propose
Correct.
educational reform.
Very good. Oh, see, now,
Narinig na.
friends, did I open books?
Libugay.
Huh? Did I open books when I developed the title? Now you're done with your thesis. That's how simple it is. And that's how easy it is. You know what I did? Congruence. Whatever is written in the situation, then that's the issue. Whatever is in the assumption, then that's the variable. And the title, see, I'm consistent. I'm talking about principal teacher interactions, and I'm talking about the involvement of teachers in the operation of the school proposed educational reform. Easy? Very. Do you
Very
follow,
not.
Alan, Chris? Okay. Very good. Okay, now, next. See, I'm just cutting and pasting. So what's my main problem now? How do I state the main problem? Again, I'm lazy typing. So I'll just, you notice I'm just cutting and paste and converting it into a main problem. Sorry, statement. All right. What do I mean? So I just add the syntax. Sorry. Okay. I'm teaching you how to be a quick researcher. This study will, future tense, because we're about to do it, will determine
Determine
the
the dynamics.
dynamics of principal-teacher interaction and involvement of teachers in the operation of the schools, the findings of which will be the basis
of the
for
proposed
a
education for the
correct. Very
proposed
good.
educational
And now I'm done with my main problem. Easy. In just 30 seconds, we're done with the main problem. Okay? Haspi, very easy. Do you follow? Julius, very easy. Your midterm exam will be like this. Now we go to specific. Specific. Could or pretty. Okay. Now, specifically, answers to the following queries will be sought. Number one, again, you go back to your issue. You go back to your assumption. What should be my problem number one? Okay. All right. Alan, what should be my problem number one? We should start with the first variable that was mentioned. What's my first
what
variable?
is the
What
what
is
is the
the
current what is the current
what is the
balik mo. Wait, wait.
Miss
What
Raquel?
is the current level of the relationship of the teacher and the principal?
Miss Raquel, why do you add another term? Why don't you just copy variable number one? Oh, Julius suggested we have to make it measurable. That's why we add the word level. What is the level of principal-teacher interaction? That's all. No. Then number two. Copy. What is the level of involvement of teachers in the
Okay, the magic
operation?
word is what is. Just
What
put
is
what
the
is.
operation of the schools? Notice I'm cutting and pasting. Okay, but we're not yet done. My problem number one is what is the level of principal-teacher interaction? But it's not enough. Ano man, in terms of now, the variable is principal-teacher interaction. But what are the sub-indicators to measure the level of principal-teacher interaction? Like, for example, assuming that you're reading literatures, you found out that according to author, according to Allen et al., that one author said, Allen mentioned that in measuring principal-teacher interaction, it should be based on what? Asa mag-interact si principal and teacher? Academic meetings? What do you think? What else? What do you think? What is the level of principal-teacher interaction in terms of when they do academic meetings? Policy development. What else? Please suggest. What else? What about school activities? Extracurricular activities. I'm referring to intrams. Okay. Uy, Miss DepEd. Na ay DepEd diri, Miss Main. Okay. What is the impact? Alex, why are you adding the word impact again? Have you read impact in the situation given? Sekonobe, did you mention impact in the issue? Did you mention impact in the assumption? Take note in the variable, there is no word impact but level. Why do you complicate things? Sige, what is the impact? Hmm. You know the problem of graduate school students? You overthink. Why don't you just focus on this? Mm. Why do you add new terms? Mo nang the reason no, masayop jud, mahagbon gyud sa comprehensive exam. Okay, continue. Miss DepEd, what are the things that we will look into to measure the principal teacher interaction? How can you will be closer to your principal if or in academic meetings, policy development, school extracurricular activities, what else? Just like in feedbacking, thank you very much. Feedback sessions, no, that's it. What's RPMS, Miss Min? Miss Min, what's
Kuan daw
RPM?
kanang individual, more character, more siyang feedbacking ba and grading.
Feedback out. That's it. So
One-on-one sa
feedback,
principal
feedback
and teachers.
sessions, or
Oo.
I'll call it RPMS. Okay, sige. That's it. No, school programs. Okay, and school programs. It's very important. School proposals, or I heed to the suggestion of Alex, research activity, because DepEd now is mandated to do research. Okay. All right. Very good. That's it. 6 items. Take note, huh? Now, yes, we were able to identify a variable level of principal-teacher interaction, but in measuring the level of principal-teacher interaction, you have to have a specific sub-indicator that you will reflect in your questionnaire that in measuring the level of interaction, I will measure them through academic meeting, policy development, school curricular activities, feedback session, school program, research activities. In other words, these are the sub-measurable indicators that should be reflected in your research instrument. Question. If I am the panel member, I will ask, oh, Alex, now, how come, where did you find the following 6 sub-indicators to measure the interaction? How sure are you that academic meeting, policy development, feedback session are appropriate to measure the level of interaction? If
Sa
you have a
related
strong,
literature, ma'am.
yes, very
Oh,
good,
dapat
Alex.
kanang 1.1 to 1.6 na
Yes,
na siya kanang
uh,
nakasupport nga related
very
literature
good.
nga mo affect na ang level of interaction mo affect mo affect sa academic meetings, mo affect
Correct.
sa policy
So,
development, etc.
so that's the best thing to do. If you have, that's why you need to have a strong literature. Haspi will say, Ma'am, if I may refer you to page 10 in the second paragraph of my literature, according to Main et al., academic meeting is blah, blah, blah. On the other hand, Alan mentioned that policy development is, in the study of Julius, on the third paragraph, ma'am, page 12 of my theoretical background. In other words, all of this should be in your literature. Wala ta nagmugna. Laban? Very good. Okay, next. In the same manner that, what is the level of teacher involvement in the operation of the schools in terms of, no, may resibo. In terms, kanis Miss May, no? In terms of, so, what could be my, sorry, this, no, so 2.1, what are the sub-indicators now? Same, level of involvement of teachers. I'll go back, school programs, no, school programs, involvement of teachers in the operation of the schools, school admission, no, school admission, what else?
School activities.
PTA, yes, Miss
Involvement in school. Involvement in any school activities.
Involvement, what is the level in
Meetings.
school activities and programs?
Oh, whatever it is that they have decided to implement, then they have
School,
high
okay.
involvement. So whether it's activity, meetings, and etc.
Academic meeting, so meaning the teacher needs to be here in these activities. What about curriculum review? Diba? So the teacher has to be here.
Yes.
PTA meeting, curriculum review. Most importantly, I'll go back to Alex's suggestion, research. Okay. School
Come up
policy,
with
sorry.
innovative practices.
School policy.
Mga innovation chance.
Oh, school
Good
policy
practices.
Pwede. All right? Or research activity, but these are 7 items already. So, kana, what do you think? Again, no, the panel will say, how sure are you that school activities and programs, admission meetings, policy development, research activity are more than sufficient to measure the level of involvement of teachers? Then Ms. Raquel would say, according to no Venenoso et al. Mentioned that PTA meeting is an important indicator in measuring of the involvement of teachers. So on, so forth. We're done? Very easy? Not yet. Why? Because if I'm going to ask you, look into your variable. The variable is level of principal teacher interaction. Your indicator is perception. When you talk about level of involvement of teachers, the indicator is also perception. Do you agree? Now, what in other words, in what domain is that? Affective or cognitive? In measuring this ba, would it involve affective domain as well? What do you think? Affective? Yes. Somehow, when you talk about involvement, it would also lead towards motivation, satisfaction, right? Do you follow?
Yes, ma'am.
Friends,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Madara,
ma'am.
ma'am.
yes. So,
Yes, Doc.
is it okay if I also ask what is the socio-demographic profile? Because somehow the data I might get from the socio-demographic profile, it would also enrich me in understanding their perception. What do you think? bisag teachers lang, of the respondents in terms of, what do you think? Nahilom na ang tanan, murag ni aging Ginoo. Number 1, age. Number 2, which is which? Gender or sex? What do you think? Gender or sex?
Gender is preference, while sex is, the male
I
and
know.
female. So sex.
Gender is psychosocial in nature, while sex is biological in nature. But what should be reflected in the statement of the problem? Is it gender or sex? Because how come in government forms, in the filing of candidacy, it's sex. In GSIS, it's
Sex
in
with that.
SSS government forms, it's sex. That is why when former President Arab filed for candidacy, in the box of sex, no, he was confused because there are only two boxes, M or F. So he peeped to his left, no, Pinoy checked the box M, and when he peeped to his right, Arroyo checked the box F, so he decided madali lang pala. He wrote instead MWF. So, which is which? Sex, sex or
Sex.
gender? Sige, what do you think? Say once a day, pagtarong de Miss May na once a day. So, what should I write in my questionnaire and in my statement of the problem? Is it gender or sex? What do you
Sex.
think? Why sex, Miss Raquel?
Oh, because it's just what I said, ma'am. Gender is really your preference. Sex is
Okay.
your being male and female.
Okay.
So it's sex for me.
The main said, sex na lang di ay do, kay duharay pilian. Okay. Kamu ba? Dili dyan mo mag-reflect. Uy, go back bit to this. What's your indicator? Perception.
So, dili
Level
mag-matter
of
ang gender
involvement.
sex.
It's perception. So meaning, perception is affective, psychosocial. I'm not
Ah,
asking for a government form. I'm asking for their perception. So which is which, gender or sex? When they respond level of involvement, it will always be based on their perception, on their psychosocial
bitaw.
being.
Okay. Mas mo
Bitaw.
respond man ang mga estudyante, ma'am, kung gwapa ang maestra.
Remember, our respondents are teachers.
Oh,
Teachers
sorry.
mo itong
Teachers tayo.
respondent. So which is which? It should be gender. Why? Because the indicator is my perception. Did you get the point? But if it's an ordinary poll survey, who will you vote for? Then hala sex, it's okay. But you're asking them about their opinion, their perception, their POV, gender. Do you agree? Am I right? Oy, Chris, do you
Right, ma'am,
follow?
pero hi, Doc, right, pero daghana na to gikuan because it's LGBT what daghan.
Yes,
At
but
least
it's
ang sex
okay.
lang.
Bahala your option is LGBTQAA++. I really don't care. Basta in your
Yes.
statement of the problem, it has to be gender because you have to be true. Oh, you have to be true to this. Again, this is your Bible. Sige gyud. Kuha. All right, now continue. So other
Yes, Doc,
than
daghan lang tanawon.
Ehems. Okay. Laban lang kita diring dapita. All right. And I know you can make it. Okay. Sorry. Wait, sorry. Taysa again. Control Z. All right. Now, let me just I'm adjusting the font. Sorry. Now, next. So, we're good, We're good. Now, more than that, aside from the age, gender status, can you now help me identify indicators, social demographic indicators that will help me enrich to understand their level of principal-teacher interaction and their level of involvement? What could be? Like, for example, EQ, educational qualification. What else? Aside from the EQ, what do I need to look, Chris, so that I will understand the reason why they are highly involved or why they are not involved? For example, distance from home to school. What do you think? Miss DepEd, you know this better than me. Miss DepEd, Miss Main. What else, Miss Main? What about rank? I'm motivated because I'm a fresh grad, no, or I'm motivated because I master teacher 3. But most often than not, the reality in DepEd is non-major teachers teaching math. Like for example, a Filipino teacher teaching math or a PE teacher teaching math. So I might want to ask on subjects taught, right? What do you think? I don't have time to interact with my principal because I have so many preparations. I don't have time to chit chat with my principal. I don't have time to involve in research because I have so many preps and students, average number of students. What do you think? Per class, average number of preparations. Do I need time to do research and involve in school activities if I have 6 or 7 preparations? What do you think? Religion would be relevant or not? Not, no?
Grade level do kung unsay lang gihandulan kay the more
Grade.
the more matured higher level kay dili naman kaayo sila mag kuan gani sa mga bata like pwede ra nila
Mm.
mabiyaan anytime.
Or
Ito na,
yes, like Christian said, average class hours, but we have uniform man. They come in all together at 7, they come out all together at 5, so they have uniform class hours. Yes, Alex, you were saying?
yeah, sakto si Miss Main, ma'am. Kanang, I think, mag-matter gid kung unsa ang maturity sa mga bata. Like, kung unsa gihandle
Pwede
nila ba?
sad.
Unsa gihandle nila gid nga level ba?
And also sa
Pwede.
doc kanang like sa akong nabantayan mostly jud most active are the master teachers usually like they are really the front jud nga basta may mga programs, meetings and all
Okay.
because mas taas ang ilahang educational or
Uh,
and then confident sila and then
yeah. Kaya ba,
and then,
nalingaw ko, Miss Raquel, ba kay, yes, I forgot that it's Teacher's Day. That's why the drill is about teachers. But apili na introvert, extrovert. In good time management, remember that you have to be measurable because these are surveys that you will give to your teacher because your respondent man is your teacher and the principal. By seniority, how do you measure Julius seniority? Rank, sige, rank, no? Then subjects
rank,
taught, average number of
master
students are,
teachers,
no?
teacher 1, teacher 2.
But I heed to the
But also sa
suggestion.
doc, I think rank sa ay dili sad siguro rank, depende lang sad siguro kay uban man sad good basta teacher 1 sad very active pud kaayo sad sila.
So there's only one way to find out, no? But to do a research on that. I also heed to the suggestion of divine designation, right? So maybe because the reason that they don't have time to interact and involve because they have so many designations concurrent. Did you get the point? No? So pwede ra. So lahi ang rank, no? And then designation. So that's it. We need to add more. No
Career
more.
pathing
Too
da.
much. Idealist.
Ayaw na, ma'am.
Career
Ay, grabe na,
pathing of
ay.
the teacher.
Kung kamo ang nag-research. So, see, remember class, what are we doing now? I did not open books. I was just true to the situation given. I'm asking your opinion as well, okay? So now, take note. The problem number 1 will look into the socio-demographic profile because I feel that the profile will help me enrich in understanding further their perceptions on interaction and their perceptions on the involvement, how involved they are. However, if this is not relevant on your study, then you might want as well delete that and put that in the methodology in the research respondent. Did you get the point? Depends upon the nature of the study, but in this case, I believe it's needed. Okay? Now, are we done? First problem, social demographic profile. Second is the level of teacher interaction. Next is the level of involvement. Okay, are we done? Because if you say done, no. This problem is too elementary. We go back to the assumption of Chris. There may be a positive correlation. So, what should be our next problem? The next problem will help you validate your theory. The next problem is the very reason why you were doing a thesis. So, what's my problem now? Is there a uh, a significant relationship? Okay, is there a significant relationship? Because this is the assumption that you have suggested between the level of principal teacher interaction and the level of teacher involvement. Okay, that's your problem number 4. That will validate your theory. because you will say later on the researcher agreed or disagreed with the theory of Julius et al. Because why am I asking this question? Because you said it in your assumption. The better the principal-teacher interaction, the higher the involvement. Increase of teacher involvement can also do better educational reform. See, positive correlation between involvement and interaction. Did you get the point? Now, this is very important because this will validate your literature. I will add, we call it inferential statistics. Okay, so now tell me, what statistical tool will I use to measure problem number 4? Anyone? What statistical tool will I use to measure the relationship between the two independent variables? What's my statistical tool?
T-test na, ma'am.
Not exactly,
Wait, sorry po.
because t-test is a test of difference. But remember the
Different test, sorry.
assumption.
Chi-squared eh.
Tanawas mara, iyan ang gisagol, correlational t-test, pagtarong di mara ha. Okay?
Chi-squared ito, sa'yo po kuan.
Chi-square is
Chi-squared,
used to measure interval and nominal variable. But these are
Comparison ba to?
These are two
Correlation.
interval variables, so we use Pearson correlation coefficient. Okay?
Oh,
Okay, kumusta na ato ang mga statistics diyang dapita? Alright, now, I'm not yet
No.
done. Kana bitong logic, Alex, nga nabasa naman lang ka, kaligo na lang. In other words, no, now that you're wet, Chris, then you'd better dance in the rain. So, sayang man ang data. I have a data of the profile and I have a data of the two. So, I'd better maximize and use it. So, is there a significant relationship between the profile and 4.1 level of principal-teacher interaction and profile and the level of teacher involvement? On this case, I am now correlating profile and teacher interaction, profile and teacher involvement. Now tell me, Alex, what's my statistical tool? What's my statistical tool now? Recall, this is now a nominal variable. Nominal, mani? Age, gender, versus interval variables, because I'm sure you'll be using Likert scale tools. Very good. Divine said it's chi-square. Okay pa atong mga utok dirang dapita. Sorry ha, we're almost done. Sorry. Anyway, it's recorded. Chi-square, Alex. Okay? Now, we're almost done.
Sa relationship.
Lola, sorry, good. Oh my God, sorry. I'm really sorry, friends. Now, next, just to really prepare you, kaya pa? Can I continue?
Yeah, gamay na lang na.
Thank you. Now, friends, what's my tool for the social demographic profile? What's my statistical tool now? Very simple. Simple percentage will do. Okay. What about problem 2 and 3? Sorry. What about problem 2 and 3? What's my Yes, we'll do Haspi. What about this one? What's my statistical tool? Weighted mean, because you'll be using a Likert scale tool. Usahay ba kay my mouth is faster or my fingers is faster in typing? Nalibog na sad ko. Weighted mean, same with problem 3. All right? Do you follow, Alan, Julius, Haspi? Do you follow? Is it still sabotable? Chris, very easy. Am I done? Not yet. I'm not yet done. Because, take your output. That's your output. So, what I'll do now is what educational reform, no, that's the last, can be proposed based on the findings of the study. Okay, what educational reform can be proposed based on the findings of the study? How many problems now? 6. Oh, very bright, oy. Students, easy? Galisod sa kug. Oy, friends, do you follow? Okay. Now, how do you write the null hypothesis? Again, I'll just cut and paste, okay, and add the word there is no. There is no significant. That's why it's called null. There is no significant relationship between the profile and blah blah blah. In the same manner that there is no significant relationship between interaction and kanang sani interaction and involvement. Okay. Okay, what do you think? Understandable? Class, in just 30 minutes, you are done with your mini proposal. Can you imagine? And we just started off with this issue, with this situation. And oh, can you imagine? You're done with your issue, your assumption, your variable, and you now have a researchable title, and you now have a main and specific problem. Can you imagine how intelligent you are? And you now have a hypothesis. And soon you will now have your methodology. So what's my design now? Chris, you started this. What's your design? Obviously, this study will utilize the quantitative paradigm specifically.
Correlational.
Okay, yes, no, okay rami murag ko. Specifically descriptive correlational ba to? I'm sorry, descriptive correlational. At least now I appreciate nga why we're online. Ms. Raquel, do you follow research instrument? You know already. Now take note. Per problem, you have to specify what instrument and statistical tool. Like for example, to determine, you know what I'll do? Again, I'm very lazy typing, so I'll copy. So I'll copy just a few. So to determine, sorry, to determine the socio-demographic profile, to determine the socio-demographic profile of the respondents, then do it narratively in terms of age, you know, gender, so on, so forth, blah, blah, blah. The simple percentage will be used. Ay, sorry, nasayop ko sa kuan din ni siya. Sani, a checklist will be used. Stilan. Will be utilized. Okay? Sorry. Will be employed. Lain man gud ang meaning ni Alex, basta used. Will be employed. Alright. Next. Very easy. While the other, to determine the level Likert scale will be used. Okay? Ana lang. Alright? Then research procedure. Then, which reminds me, in terms of the research respondents, also you have to make sure the inclusion criteria. Then in the local, please do not write the history of the school, just the facilities relevant to your study. In the research respondent, what are your inclusion criteria of the principal? What's your inclusion criteria of the principal? That, no, at least a principal for the past 5 years or 3 years. Kaya nga naman, because you're talking about interaction, you can't include in the study newly hired because we're talking about interaction for 3 years, no, or teacher. Or so come on, actually, I'll open another one. Okay, stop share. I'll show you another sample. This one, okay. Share. Okay, I'll share this. Let me just enlarge. Okay, sorry. Let me just enlarge a bit. Okay, there. I hope you can see. Now, okay. Anyway, I'll give you a copy of this. So, see, this is how we write the methodology, and you just narrate it. Look into the principal must have been a principal for the past 3 years. The teachers that must have been teaching the school for the past 3 years, because we're talking about interaction, no, and then researcher made checklist, no, to mesh for the demographic profile. A researcher modified Likert scale tool to measure the degree of principal-teacher interaction and the level of involvement will be used. The 5-point scale is based on, take note, citation. Okay. Then research procedure, then treatment of data. You know already, oy. So you have to mention each of the statement of the problem. All right. Okay. Now, next, I think I'll open another file just to show you one more before I dismiss. File. Open. Let me just open. I have a lot of files. I'm sorry, and so many answer keys. All right. Now, let's see. I'm not sure if this is the one. Um, okay na. All right. Now, friends, okay, I'm good. Now, the point is, please take note, ha? Remember, the main problem should answer the conclusion only. I don't understand why a lot of people, the conclusion is actually very long, when in fact, they would only answer the conclusion. So what is the principal-teacher interaction and the involvement now? In the same manner that the statement of the problem, no, the specific problem will answer the results and discussion. Okay? So you don't have to, so this is your guide. No, so the point is, I don't know why people have so many lengthy conclusions when in fact the main is you only answer the kanira gyud. Okay? All right? Question so far. Ma, mangayo mi og copy. Yes, yes, definitely. I will give you a copy. No, I understand, but principal intricacies of education, yes, of course. But most importantly, now that you understand how we do it, bisag multiple choice ang mid. But now, what to expect? Next Saturday, I will give the notes tanan-tanan, and this will be your midterm exam next Saturday online. And I think it will be asynchronous, no? So, I wrote a quote here: God may calm the storm around you, but more often, He'll calm the storm within you.
Grabe yan sa na ma'am. Personal man kayo na quote. Marami imong gibugal-bugalan na quote,
You know,
ma'am.
because I'm enjoying how stressed you are today. Okay. No, but I will share. So I will give you a sample as well of the conclusion, how I wrote the conclusion. But at least now, basically, do you now understand what we're doing today? Do you
Yeah.
know,
Yes, ma'am.
Chris?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
It's clear. It's doable. No, and the magic there is you were able to finish a mini thesis in just 30 minutes. And your challenge is now you have to teach others how we do it, ha? Oh, thank you, Christian. And I'm excited. No, I'm really happy because Christian is also a fast learner. I'm not really having a hard time, yun. I forgot sometimes, Christian, that there is a foreigner in the class. Okay, it would be easier if Fields now, Alex, so ako pang sala that the example is teaching because it's Teacher's Day. All right. Now, so that's how intelligent you are. No, so because Mara is the that's why it's teacher. All right. Now, so, what's your assignment now? Title, now complete now with statement of the problem. And I'm excited to look into your paper habantay lang yun mo. So, now I'm overdue. 5 seconds, attendance check. I'll stop share and I'll stop recording.